Compounding is like magic, but with money. It's a powerful financial concept that can transform your savings into a substantial amount over time. Imagine your money growing, not just on what you saved, but also on the interest it earns. This means your interest starts earning interest too, creating a cycle of growth. That's compounding interest earning interest. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to build wealth over time. It's like a snowball effect. Just as a small snowball rolling downhill gathers more snow, your money can gather more interest. A small snowball rolling downhill gathers more snow, becoming bigger and bigger. Similarly, your initial investment can grow exponentially as it continues to earn interest. Compounding works the same way. The longer you let your money sit and earn interest, the more significant the growth. Over time, even small amounts can grow significantly. This is why starting early is so important. This exponential growth is the key to building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time you give your money to grow. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. So don't wait, start investing today and let the magic of compounding work for you. Starting early is the biggest secret to harnessing the power of compounding. Time is your best friend when it comes to growing your money. The longer your money compounds, the more dramatic the results. Even small contributions add up significantly over decades. Don't wait until you're older or have more money. Start small, start now, and watch your money grow exponentially over time. Want to know how fast your money can double? It's a question that intrigues many of us, especially when planning for the future. Whether you're saving for retirement, a big purchase, or just want to grow your wealth, understanding this can be a game changer. Use the rule of 72. This simple yet powerful formula can give you a quick estimate of how long it will take for your investments to grow. It's a simple calculation. Divide 72 by the interest rate you're earning. For instance, if your investment earns an annual return of 8%, you would divide 72 by 8. The answer is the number of years it takes for your money to double. In this case, it would take approximately 9 years for your investment to double. For example, if you earn a 6% return, your money will double in approximately 12 years. 72 divided by 6. This makes it easy to compare different investment options. This rule helps you visualize the power of compounding and plan for your financial goals. By understanding how long it takes for your money to double, you can make more informed decisions and set realistic expectations for your financial future. Compounding works its magic in both savings accounts and investments. Savings accounts offer lower returns but provide safety and liquidity. They are great for short-term goals and emergencies. Investing in the stock market offers higher potential returns but carries more risk. It's suitable for long-term goals like retirement. Diversify your savings and investments to maximize returns and minimize risk. Section 5. The debt trap. Compounding working against you. Beware. Compounding can work against you with debt. When you carry a balance on credit cards, interest accrues on the unpaid amount. This interest gets added to your principal, creating a vicious cycle. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, eating away at your income and savings. Pay off high-interest debts as quickly as possible to avoid the negative effects of compounding. Section 6. Harnessing the power steps to make compounding work for you. Ready to make compounding your wealth-building ally? It's a powerful tool that can significantly grow your wealth over time if used correctly. Here are some steps. First, start early. The sooner, the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compounding. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts make a difference over time. Second, save consistently. Regular contributions, no matter how small, add up over the years and can lead to substantial growth. Make saving a habit, even if it's a small amount each month. Automate your savings to ensure you never miss a contribution. Third, invest wisely. Seek professional advice to create a diversified portfolio aligned with your goals. Diversification helps manage risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. Fourth, avoid high-interest debt. Pay off credit cards in full each month. High-interest debt can quickly erode your savings and investments. Lastly, be patient. Compounding takes time. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations. The market will have ups and downs, but staying the course is crucial. Remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to compounding. Consistency, patience, and smart decisions are key to harnessing the full power of compounding. Section 7. Real-life example. Let's say you invest $100 every month, earning an average annual return of 7%. In 30 years, you'll have over $100,000. That's the power of compounding. You contributed $36,000 over those years, but your money grew by an additional $64,000 due to compound interest. This example highlights how consistent saving and the magic of compounding can create substantial wealth over time. Section 8. Start today, secure your future. Compounding is a powerful tool for building wealth. By understanding how it works and taking action, you can make your money work harder for you. Don't let another day go by without putting your money to work. Start small, be consistent, and watch your wealth grow exponentially. Remember, the best time to start compounding was yesterday. The second best time is today.